In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to manage line jumps on layers in Draw.io for Confluence and Jira, so your diagrams stay clear and easy to read, even when you have lots of overlapping connectors. Let's start with the basic idea. When you're working on a complex diagram, it's very common for connectors to cross over each other. Without any visual indication of which line is on top, those intersections can become confusing and hard to follow. Line jumps solve this by visually showing one connector hopping over another, so it's obvious which path continues where. First, select the connector or connectors you want to adjust. You can click a single connector or hold Shift to select multiple at once. Once you have them selected, look to the right side of the screen for the Format panel. If you don't see it, you can usually open it from the menu or toolbar. In most setups, it appears as a panel docked on the right. With your connector still selected, go to the Style tab within the Format panel. Here, you'll find the settings that control the appearance of the line, including the line jump options. Enable line jumps so that anytime this connector crosses another one, the visual jump will appear automatically. You can choose between different jump styles, such as arc, gap, or sharp. Arc gives you a smooth, curved hop over the other line. Gap creates a small break in the lower line, making it look like the top line is passing uninterrupted. Sharp gives you a more angular, technical look. Pick the style that best matches your diagram's visual language and the clarity you're aiming for. Now, here's the crucial part that many people miss. Line jumps only appear correctly on the connector that is on top in the stacking order. That means if one connector is visually in front of another, that top connector is the one that shows the jump. To control this, right-click the connector you want to appear on top and choose the To Front option. This brings that connector to the front of the layer order, ensuring it displays the line jump over any connectors beneath it. If you have multiple layers in your diagram, keep in mind that the layer order and the connector order both affect how line jumps look. You may need to adjust both to get a clean, readable result. By carefully enabling line jumps, choosing the right style, and using the To Front command to control which connector is on top, you can dramatically improve the clarity of your diagrams in Draw.io for Confluence and Jira.